Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest videos, so girls are waiting over today doing some special beautiful crochet gloves, fingerless gloves ideas for modern girls, for working women, beautiful collection, most demanding collection, most wearing collection, beautiful fall ideas. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful designing. Some are simple and some are beautiful button up style. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And viewers, please go to my section. You can ask me in section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet fingerless glove design. Beautiful pattern. Very nice ideas. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.